Hey students, today in 7th standard maths we are going to discuss about chapter 2 measurement. It's a term 2 portion. Here in this chapter we are going to understand the concepts of area and circumference of your circles, and also to understand the area of a circular and rectangular pathways. Okay, now in our daily life, we come across the shapes in various places. Is it so? Today in this chapter, we are going to see about the shape circle. Here, circumference of a circle is given. What is the circumference of a circle? A distance around the circular region is called circumference or perimeter of a circle. Perimeter is nothing but in the 2D shapes and all, what we will do, sum of all the side. When the circular is given, we can name it as a circumference of a circle. Here, from the center point to the circumference, that is the boundary of the circle, it is a radius. And a longest chord which come across the center of the circle is a diameter. A diameter has two radius. Yes. Now circumference of a circle. All the circles are similar to one another. So the ratio of the circumference to that of the diameter is a constant. So circumference divided by diameter, which gives you constant. We can write the formula as C by D, which gives you pi. We can name it this symbol as pi. Now, the diameter is twice the length of the radius. So, in the above equation, in the place of diameter, we can write as 2r. So, the formula is to find the circumference. When the radius is given, you have to use the formula circumference equal to 2 pi r units. When the diameter is given, to find the circumference, the formula is C equal to pi d. By using this formula, we are going to solve exercise 2.1. Before start writing the exercise sum, you please copy down the notes, write the formulas and the notes in your page. Is it okay? Then we can start the exercise sum. The notes, what you have to write in the classwork is distance around the circular region is called the circumference or perimeter of circle. Circumference of a circle, that is to find the circumference of a circle. When diameter is given, it is a pi d. When the radius is given, it is 2 pi r. Next, for the next exercise, you have to write the formula. Area of the circle is pi r square. And for the 2.3, we are going to solve circular path and a rectangular path. For that, this formula is given in the book. Later, we can discuss about these three formulas. Let's try exercise 1.1 in the classwork note. Question number 1 in exercise 2.1, find the missing value in the following table for the circles with radius we can represent as r, diameter as d, and circumference as c. Now for the first subdivision, what is given? Only the radius is given. You have to find the circumference as well as the diameter. Okay, first step, write the given r equal to 15 centimeter, diameter we are going to find, circular we are going to find. Step 1, write the formula. Diameter is twice the length of the radius, is it? So 2r. So diameter equal to 2 into 15, that equal to 30 centimeter. Now circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to pi d. Here the pi value is 22 by 7 and D it is 30. Now try to simplify this sum or multiply this two number and divide by 7. If you are multiplying 22 into 30, it is to 660 divided by 7. By usual division, if you are doing this sum, you will get the circumference as 94.28 centimeter. Next. Subdivision 2. What is given in the question? Subdivision 2, only the circumference is given. You are going to find the radius and the diameter. Okay. Circumference equal to what's given in the question? 1760 centimeter. You are going to find the radius and diameter. Okay. Pi d is equal to circumference. Is it? Pi value is 22 by 7 into diameter we don't know. Circumference given in the question is 1760. Now the diameter equal to 1760. The reciprocal, that is a transposition of this number, is 7 divided by 22. Try to simplify, cancel this numerator and the denominator so that you will get the diameter as 60 centimeter, 560 centimeter. Now, the radius equal to diameter divided by 2. That is, half of the length of the diameter is which gives you the radius. Here the diameter is 560 divided by 2. Usual division in the rough column you can work out and see. 2 2s are 4, 1, get down this 6, 8s are 16, yes, 0, so here 0, so 280 centimeter. You should not forget to write the units. So your diameter is 560 centimeter and half of the 560 which gives you the radius is 280 centimeter. Let's try question number 2. Okay, diameter of a different circles are given below. Find the circumference and there in the hint they given in the bracket pi value is 22 by 7. Okay, what is given diameter? It is 70 centimeter. So, question number 2, what is the given? Diameter equal to 70 centimeter. Now, you are going to find the circumference pi d. Pi value is given in the hint as in the book. In that sum is 22 by 7 and substitute the diameter value, that is 70. 7 ones are 7 tens are, and 22 into 10 is it 220 centimeter. So your circumference of a circle when diameter is given as 70 centimeter is 220 centimeter. This is the first subdivision. Let's try one more subdivision in the same sum. Okay students, subdivision 3 is given as diameter equal to 28 millimeter. Now, what is the formula? C equal to pi d and pi value is 22 by 7 into 28. 7 ones are 7, 4s are, now 22 into 4. Circumference is 88 millimeter. Yes. So try to highlight the formulas in a box by using the scale and pencil. Okay, let's move to question number 3. Find the circumference of a circle whose radii are given below. Here in the sum, they are given the radius, is it? Okay. Question number 3, given radius equal to 49 centimeter. Okay, what is the formula to find the circumference when the radius is given? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. The formula is 2 pi r, that is twice the length of the radius, which gives you the diameter. Now 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 49. 7 ones are 7 sevens are, multiply this 3 number. So 2 into 22, 44 into 7. Now your circumference is 44 into 7. 7 fours are 28, carry over 2. 7 fours are 28, 9, 30. 308 centimeter. Question number 4, you can try as your homework sum, students. Here the diameter is given. Okay, you are going to find the circumference, same like the question number 2. You can try this sum. Let's move to the word problems, which given in page number 28. Question number 5. The diameter of the bullock cart wheel is 1.4 meter. Find the distance covered by it is in 150 rotation. So first we have to find the circumference. Okay, then we can go for the distance, total distance covered by in 150 rotation. First step, write the given diameter equal to d equal to 1.4, which given in the question. Try to change the decimal number as a fraction. As we discussed in the last chapter, you very well know how to change the decimal number as a fraction. Here 1.4 is given, is it? So 14 by 10. Now, given write the formula C equal to pi d. Here the pi is 22 by 7 and the d is 14 by 10. So 7 ones are 7, 2s are 14, and again 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. Now 22 by 5. So circumference equal to 22 by 5. Doing the usual division, you will get the decimal number as 4.4 meter. Now we want to find the total distance covered in 150 rotation of a wheel, is it? So 150 into 4.4. Let's try this here. 150 into 4.4. Now 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20, carry over 2. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, and 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20, carry over 2. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. Now 0, 0, 6, 6. So in the decimal part, only one number. So after the last number, that is ones place, you keep a decimal part, keep point. Now your answer is 660 meter. Let's try question number 7 in the classwork, and question number 6 you can try in the homework note. A wire of a length 1320 centimeter is made into circular frames of radius 7 centimeter each. You want to find how many frames can be made. Okay, now total length of the wire is given. Okay, what is given? Length of the wire 1320 centimeter. Length of the wire equal to 1320 centimeter. Circular frames, radius is given as 7 centimeter. First step, you have to write the given, is it? Now what is the formula to find the circumference? When the radius is given, it is 2 pi r. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius 7, 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now 22 into 2, 44 centimeter. So each frame you can do it by using the wire 44 centimeter. The totally wire is given as 1320 centimeter. So that you have to divide by 44. So you will get the number of frames. how many frames you can do, is it? So number of frames made in total, that equal to 1320 divided by 44. 44 into 30 is, you will get 1320. So 44 ones are 44, 30s are. So 30 frames. Your answer is 30 frames. You can do by using the total length of the wire is given in the question as 1320 centimeter. Now question number 8. A rose garden is in the form of circle of radius 63 meter. The gardener wants to fence it at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. Find out the cost of the fencing. Now first step, you have to write the given and the total boundary of the garden is you have to find, and then cost for fencing is given as 150. So the total boundary that you have to find, and that you have to multiply with rupees 150. Let's try the sum in the classwork note. Given r equal to 63 meter, circumference of a garden 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 63. So 7 ones are 7, 9s are 63, and multiply this three number, you will get total circumference of the garden as 396 meter. Now write the step 2. Given cost of fencing per meter is rupees 150. So total cost we need to fence that garden is 396 into 150. So you will get the answer as by doing the multiplication of this two number, 59,400. Next we move with the objective type question, which given in page number 29. Formula used to find the circumference of a circle. It is 2 pi r. Now question number 10. In the formula C, 2 pi r is refers to radius. If the circumference of a circle is 82 pi, then find the value of r. Like question number 3, you can work out and see this. So you will get the answer as 41 centimeter. Question number 12. Circumference of a circle is always more than 3 times of its diameter. By using the formula to find the circumference, when the radius is given and when the diameter is given, yes, you can work out exercise 2.1. Is it, student? One small recap we will do for this exercise. What is the formula to find the circumference when the radius is given? It is 2 pi r. What is the formula to find the circumference when the diameter is given? Diameter equal to pi d. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. So, copy down the notes in the classwork note and continue with the exercise 2.1. Highlight the formulas with your box and try to draw the closing line in between the sums. Kindly submit the note for correction, classwork note correction to the school. And in this exercise, I like to give question number 4 and 6th sum as your homework. And example sums in this exercise you can do as a home test. Thank you, students.